Okay, today we're going to be filming at Caesars Golf Course. So I'm just going to show you a little around the perimeter. I'm riding around my bike, it's right over there. And we just kind of walked, we took the bike all the way, one whole side of Caesars Golf Course, and just kind of show you around the area a little bit. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, you can see that right there. I'm going to be talking about that in a minute. That's actually a golf course. It's called Caesars Golf Course, and it's right here in Cotai. Okay, so we're here in Taipa side of Macau. So this fence and this right here, that right there is a border to China. So that big truck, the blue truck right there, that's actually going to China. And this is the golf course, so you can see a little bit of it. It's a black and white, I don't know if that's typical, but you can definitely see the whole golf course. So it's surrounded by some apartments way down there, and then right over there is Studio City and Parisian. So I don't know how often it's used. I don't see anybody out there right now, but I know that it's I'm kind of curious about how much it costs. I wonder if maybe a viewer might maybe mention a little bit about that. And but anyways, this is where it's at. I just saw a caddy as well. I just saw a little caddy shack. So we're on my bike today, and we're just gonna cruise by the golf course and among other stuff as well. And then once I get an opening, which I think is right here, I can actually view a little bit. So let's just see. I guess I thought I saw a caddy. Oh, I do. There's one way in the distance. I don't know if you can see it way. I can see it with my eye, but it's way in the distance. So there is at least one set of golfers out there. Just for a little context, today it's Friday around 5 p.m. So I would think more golfers would be golfing on a Friday, but this is probably set up for tourists. So I guess it would have to be people that lived in Macau, right? Nobody else could get in here. Into Macau, I mean. Maybe some Zhuhai. Zhuhai is open right now. I don't know when this will be, when a viewer might see this, but right now it's a COVID era, coronavirus era. Huh, there's a hole in the fence. So people can actually go in or out from that hole right there. So if you wanted to go get some golf balls, I guess that would be your opening. Looks like somebody really worked on that spot. Let's see if we see any others. And we're getting better views here too. And actually it's kind of interesting that there's a sidewalk that goes around the perimeter part. I guess that's probably good. But yeah, that's called Caesars Golf Course. And I'm on my bike today, so over there is the casinos, Cotai Strip. There's a couple guys just kind of walking around there. I wonder what their story is. It's kind of an odd place to be walking around. Oh, he's closing that gate, so maybe they work there. Maybe there's like 3 of them that had a lock to something. Anyways, this is Caesars Golf Course, and this is Get Sidetracked in Macau. Just giving you a little context, this is also a little bit of a industrial feel to this area, but you're like literally right next to the immigration point, and then right next to it on the other side is all the big casinos. Galaxy, Parisian, Studio City, and then this big red fence, that's basically because that's all China. That's not China yet, but I mean like that's immigration to China. So I think you've already stamped your passport by the time you got to that particular spot. And then to the right, of course, is our golf course. It has a little bit of an ecological flair to it. And we got a sign that we're going to catch up to in a minute. Slightly better view of the golf course. The golf course is actually quite extensive. Didn't realize it went out quite that far. Yeah, actually it's like we're still kind of traveling by bike quite a ways that way. And so yeah, they take up some pretty prime real estate in this area. I wonder what the fate of it is going to be and how profitable it is. So we're still following the golf course to the right. Oh, huh, they got like a little net there for balls. It must, maybe that's a practice range right there. And then to the left is Cotai, so that goes to China. And it's kind of interesting that this golf course is that close to all these casinos and to China as well. So Macau, there's the international border right there. It says Lotus checkpoint station. So right there is when people want to go back and forth, they have to go through this immigration point, and they have to use their passports and go through a whole check. So anyways, that's also part of the Caesars golf course. I mean, it's right next to it. Huh. You better get over here, I guess. Okay, we're gonna end our video right there. So Caesars Golf Macau. So I just left my bike over there, walked across this place. There's nowhere to walk over around here. We had to walk quite a bit to get to the spot just to get this picture. So anyways, there it is. Caesars Golf Course Macau. And we got casinos right there. I was gonna walk over there and just film a little bit of the golf course, but I don't know if I need to or not. But I guess we will anyways. So there you go. Here's your golf course. Okay, hope you enjoyed that.